Ooh, let's make yakitori seafood meatballs. I have 6 tilapia fillet in there. Add 4 tablespoons of wine, 4 egg white, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of pure sesame oil, half teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 7 tablespoons of tapioca starch to the mix. I always have green onion, guys. Now I will also puree the calamari or squid. Add 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch. Now last but not least, the fresh, beautiful shrimp. About 1 pound or more. Nothing wrong with shrimp. And toss generous amount of shiitake mushroom has been soaked without the stem. Toss about 30 times because I don't like the shrimp to be puree. I like it on a big chunk. Now will you believe me when I say the key ingredient is spam? 2 thin slices is enough, guys. Puree them. Yes, instead of ground pork, use spam. You won't believe how delicious they become. Thoroughly mix all of them. You know what? I want to add 2 more of sesame oil. 2 tablespoons more. Because I like their fragrance. If you're like me and most Southeast Asian people like bouncy meatballs, give it a beat up like this, guys. 50 to 100 times. Then run them up nicely like this with your hand. And then toss them to a panko bread, or here I only have breadcrumb. There you go, folks. Look at how beautiful they are. They're so bouncy, so delicious. Serve them with my homemade hot sauce and a cup of tea. Yum, hot tea. There you go, folks. Yakitori seafood my way. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.